Hello there, old lady. Are you tired of your husband smelling like a bombed out glue sniffer when he's done cleaning his guns with stinky solvents? I'll take that as a yes. Well, cheer up. Extant Labs has something special for you. Brake Contact is our new firearms cleaning solvent. It has all the power of mineral spirits, but no fumes or unpleasant odors. It's also California VOC compliant. That means you can degrease your gun parts without degreasing your lung parts. Brake Contact is easy to use. Simply apply a few drops to a rag, patch, or brush, then scrub all that grime away. Wipe off the excess with a clean cloth and follow with your favorite Extant Labs firearm lubricant. Brake Contact comes in a handy 8-ounce bottle for light use, and a beefy 32-ounce can for immersion of larger parts like choke tubes and bolt carriers. Brake Contact can dissolve oils, greases, carbon, napalm, Agent Orange, negative feelings, robot telemarketers, regular telemarketers, baby poop, dinosaur poop, credit card debt, free trade agreements, browser history, regrettable tweets, seagulls, zombies, communism, Russian hackers. Never again will your kitchen smell like a Bogota meth lab after a day at the range. Well, you're looking better already.